opposites, brave and bold.
See you tomorrow for more kitchen fun.
Wears a little hat. Let's make snacks. Imagine that. A big red bowl sits on the table. A small blue cup is nice and stable.
No, pizza is the greatest.
Steam, steam. Cold milk makes us smile and beam. Benny Bunny claps with glee.
That is hard.
Cooking's fun
but
for
crunchy.
you
One
and
more
me.
bite.
Big and small, hot and cold, opposites are fun to hold. Cold mint close, fast and slow. Watch our happy kitchen glow. Mix it up and sing along. Learning makes us bright and strong. Clap your hands, hip hooray. Let's learn opposites today. Daisy duckling peels a banana, laughing with a happy ta-da. Oh no, cries Benny with a
See you
grin.
tomorrow for
The
more kitchen
empty
fun.
baskets looking thin. Chef Coco smiles. Look
this is
over
fun.
there. A full fruit bowl we can
More
share.
swings. I love this red apple,
Pears
but
and
broccoli
grapes
is the
so
best.
sweet.
No, pizza is the
Healthy
greatest.
snacks are
Yay,
such
pizza.
a treat.
So tasty.
Big and small, hot and cold.
Whoa, that is hard.
Opposites are fun
but
to
crunchy.
hold.
One more bite.
Open close, fast and slow. Watch our happy kitchen glow. Mix it up and sing along. Learning makes us bright and strong. Clap your hands, hip hooray. Let's learn opposites today. The cupboard's open now.
See you tomorrow for more kitchen fun.
Everyone knows where food is stored. We stir slow,
Woohoo, this is
then
fun.
whisk fast.
Whee, let's go
Cooking
again.
fun from first
More
to
swings.
last.
I love this red apple, but broccoli is the best. No, pizza is the
Coco smiles
greatest.
from
Yay,
ear
pizza.
to ear. We learn new words while cooking
So
here.
tasty. I
Friends
love it.
together laugh and
Whoa,
play.
that is hard.
Sharing kindness
but crunchy.
every
One more
day.
bite.